Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that nearly everyone experiences at some point in their life. Anxiety. You know that feeling, the racing heart, the sweaty palms, the endless loop of what-ifs playing in your head. It's more than just feeling stressed or worried. It's a natural human response, but when it becomes overwhelming and constant, it can seriously impact our daily lives. So, what exactly is anxiety? And more importantly, what can we do about it? Let's dive in and unpack this together. At its core, anxiety is your body's natural alarm system. Think way back to our ancestors. When they encountered a threat like a saber-toothed tiger, their fight-or-flight response would kick in. A rush of adrenaline would prepare them to either fight the danger or run for their lives. This response is incredibly useful for survival. In today's world, we might not be facing wild animals, but we have our own modern-day tigers. A big presentation at work, a tough exam, a first date, or financial stress. Your body can react to these pressures in the same way, triggering that familiar wave of anxiety. A little bit of it can be motivating. It's the reason you study for that test or practice your speech. It pushes you to be prepared. But the problem arises when this alarm system gets stuck in the on position, ringing constantly even when there's no immediate danger. That's when we move from normal, everyday worry into the territory of an anxiety disorder. What really makes this alarm system go haywire? It's not usually just one thing. You know, it's more like a tangled web of different factors. Let's dive into genetics first. Studies show that if anxiety runs in your family, you might be more likely to feel those anxious vibes yourself. It's not a sure thing, but it's kind of like inheriting your grandma as curly-haired as just in your DNA. For instance, if your mom or dad struggled with anxiety, you might notice those feelings creeping up on you, especially during stressful times. It's all about understanding how our backgrounds can shape our mental health, right? Then there's brain chemistry. Our brains are incredibly complex, relying on chemical messengers called neurotransmitters to communicate between cells. When neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine are out of balance, it can disrupt mood and contribute to feelings of anxiety. This is why certain medications that help rebalance these chemicals can be effective in treating anxiety. It's not a personal failing, it's a biological process that's not functioning as it should. Our life experiences also play a huge role. Traumatic events, whether from childhood or adulthood, can leave a lasting impact. Things like neglect, loss of a loved one, or experiencing a major accident can hardwire your brain to be in a constant state of high alert. Your system learns that the world can be a dangerous place, so it stays on guard to protect you, even long after the threat is gone. Similarly, long-term exposure to stress like a high-pressure job, ongoing family conflict, or financial instability can wear down your resilience over time and make you more vulnerable to anxiety. It's like a slow drip that eventually overflows the container. Personality traits can be a factor too. People who are naturally more cautious, sensitive, perfectionistic, or have low self-esteem might be more prone to anxiety. If you tend to overthink things or always expect the worst-case scenario, you're essentially practicing anxious thought patterns, which can become a deeply ingrained habit over time. And finally, certain physical health conditions can trigger anxiety. Things like thyroid problems, heart conditions, or respiratory issues can produce physical symptoms that mimic anxiety, like a racing heart or shortness of breath. This can create a feedback loop where the physical symptoms cause anxiety, and the anxiety then makes the physical symptoms worse. It's always important to rule out any underlying medical issues with a doctor. Now, knowing the causes is one thing, but what can we actually do about it? The good news is that anxiety is highly treatable. You don't have to just live with it. One of the most effective treatments is therapy, particularly cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT is a game changer for many people. It works by helping you identify, challenge, and reframe the negative thought patterns that fuel your anxiety. For example, you might automatically think, if I make a mistake in my presentation, everyone will think I'm incompetent. CBT teaches you to question that thought. Is it really true? What's a more balanced perspective? Maybe it's, people make small mistakes all the time. I'll do my best, and that's what matters. It helps you break the cycle of catastrophic thinking. Another powerful therapeutic approach is exposure therapy. This is especially helpful for phobias and social anxiety. It involves gradually and safely exposing yourself to the situations you fear. If you're afraid of public speaking, you might start by just practicing in front of a mirror, then for a trusted friend, then a small group, and so on. Each step helps you build confidence and teaches your brain that the thing you fear is actually as dangerous as it feels. Your anxiety lessens with each successful exposure. In some cases, medication can be a very helpful tool, often used in combination with therapy. Antidepressants, like SSRIs, can help regulate brain chemistry, making it easier for you to engage in therapy and make lifestyle changes. Anti-anxiety medications can also be used for short-term relief during moments of intense panic. It's as crucial to talk to a doctor or a psychiatrist to figure out if medication medication is the right choice for you. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, and a professional can help you weigh the pros and cons. Beyond professional treatment, there are so many lifestyle changes that can make a massive difference. Let's start with mindfulness and meditation. These practices train your brain to focus on the present moment instead of worrying about the past or the future. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of guided meditation or deep breathing exercises each day can help calm your nervous system. Apps like Calm or Headspace are great places to start. The goal isn't to stop having thoughts, but to learn to observe them without getting carried away by them. Regular exercise is another non-negotiable for managing anxiety. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters and pain relievers. It also helps to burn off that excess nervous energy and adrenaline. Whether it's a brisk walk, a run, yoga, or dancing in your living room, find a form of movement you enjoy and make it a consistent part of your routine. It's one of the most powerful anti-anxiety tools we have. What you eat also matters. A balanced diet full of whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can support stable blood sugar and a healthy brain. On the flip side, things like caffeine, alcohol, and excessive sugar can make anxiety worse. A cup of coffee might give you a jolt of energy, but it can also trigger jitters and a racing heart, which feel a lot like anxiety. Pay attention to how different foods and drinks make you feel, and please, don't underestimate the power of sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your brain's ability to manage emotions is significantly impaired. You're more likely to be irritable, sensitive, and anxious. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, off screens an hour before bed. Read a book, take a warm bath, to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Finally, build a strong support system. Anxiety can be incredibly isolating, making you feel like you're the only one going through this. But you're not. Talk to trusted friends or family members about what you're experiencing. Sharing your feelings can lift a huge weight off your shoulders. Joining a support group, either online or in person, can also connect you with others who truly understand what you're going through. Remember, dealing with anxiety is a journey, not a destination. There will be good days and bad days. The goal isn't to eliminate anxiety completely. That's impossible, and not even desirable. Since we need it to stay safe, the goal is to manage it, so it no longer controls your life. It is about learning to turn down the volume on that internal alarm so you can hear the rest of the world. If you're feeling overwhelmed by severe anxiety, just know that you're definitely not alone in this. Seriously, reaching out to a mental health professional isn't just brave, it's a huge step toward feeling better. They have the tools and support to help you navigate through this tough time, whether it's therapy, coping strategies, or just someone to talk to. And if you need immediate help, crisis hotlines are available 24/7, ready to listen and support you. We'll drop some links in the description below so you can find the help you need. Remember, taking that first step can really make a difference. Thank you so much for watching and for taking the time to learn more about this important topic. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on mental health and well-being. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.